Hey guys, I'm teacher Laura. I am so excited about the vendor marketplace opportunity that VIP Kid is offering. I know a lot of you have your own Etsy shops or your own TPT stores and all kinds of side hustles going on, and we want to help you out. We own a small mom and pop web design company, and we're here to ramp up your online presence.
We're Ramp Up Design. In today's market, your buyers are looking for a website that will work on all of their devices. You may have heard that Google is changing their search algorithm in September so that websites that aren't designed for a mobile format won't rank at the top anymore. Ramp Up Design is a leader in mobile-first design. We offer a cutting-edge web builder that you won't be able to find at any of the large site builders like GoDaddy or Wix.
We also offer packages to suit your current budget. So you could build your own website using our mobile first web builder, or we can do it for you while you take a well-earned nap.
Because we're so excited about partnering with y'all, we're offering a 15% discount on all new orders for VIP Kid teachers and their spouses. That's 15% off our web builder and hosting, and 15% off if you need a website built for you. Just go to rampupdesign.com/VIP Kid. Thanks.
Happy teaching!